Hi, it's Mike Collinson here again. As you can see, I've now started constructing the joists and the supports for the first part of the decking. Decking was fairly stable anyway. I've put in cross braces in both directions to make sure that there's no movement in it. To save all the work of concreting the posts in, I've managed to find some nice plastic supports. These are in two parts, with the top section is screwed for adjustment, so you can adjust it up or down by several inches. A nice wide base, and all it's taken is for me to just dig down to a solid piece of ground, and it's got a nice base to carry and support the weight. The next job is to make up the octagonal ends that I want. It's as there's eight sides, it gives 16 cuts, so it's a simple matter of dividing 360 degrees by 16, which is 22.5-degree angles. I'm very lucky in that there's a 22.5-degree angle already on the chop saw. So what I've done is make up a pattern so that after I've cut the first one, each one then is identical in length, so I'll end up with 8 identical sides. Decided to make and construct this all up in my workshop and actually make the thing together on a flat piece of ground outside. If I tried to make it down where I'm actually doing the work, I wouldn't have a flat surface to work on, and I'm sure it wouldn't turn out very well. But I've got a nice flat piece of concrete outside to do it on, so that's what I'm going to do. I didn't take into consideration was how big it was all going to be when I finished. It did take a little while for me to sort out how I was actually going to get it down to the area, so I managed to get it on top of a wheelbarrow, and with a struggle I got it down through the field eventually. Originally I had it in mind to take this out farther and actually encircle the trees beyond it, but I realised two things. First of all, it would be getting just a little bit too big, and secondly, there's a bit of movement in the trees, and I can see over time that would have possibly wrecked the actual construction of the octagonal end. So as you can see, I've decided to just put it short of the trees. I've still managed to accomplish what I wanted, in that this seating area at the end I wanted high enough up to be able to see and listen to the water underneath, and have a view over the meadow or the rough ground beyond it. All in all, it's starting to come together, so I'm quite pleased. I hope you've enjoyed this. I would appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up if you have, and if you haven't already subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe for future updates. See you all again next time. Bye bye.